In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove watermark from your videos on Halo AI completely for free, and it is not going to be blurring this section or stuff like that. So as you can see, we got our watermark below. What you can do is use any video editing software. So first of all, you need to simply download this video, and you can see we are going to be downloading it, and we got here. Now to remove the watermark, what you can do is simply head over to any video editor online. You can see once you are there, what you need to do is simply click on this edit a video option. Of course, you need to sign up onto the platform. I'm going to be doing that really quickly, and once I do that, you can see it is going to be allowing us to edit our video. So you can use this platform for now. You can go through all of these information. You can select your team or skip this for now, and you can see Google search. Just quickly go through these options until we are basically good to go. So yeah, now we are onto our dashboard, and now we need to select the video that we just downloaded and put that on. Now I'm gonna be uploading that video, and we have that here. Let me just close it. Okay, so you can add it as a layer. Now it is added. So what you need to do is simply hide that particular part, and your watermark is going to be removed. If you want to remove this watermark, of course it is going to be asking for the pricing and plan, but that is not an issue since you can crop this section later on as well. And yeah, so basically you can use any video editing software that is going to be removing this minor section, and it's not a big deal. You can see our video looks great even then. So yeah, that's how easy it is. I hope this helps, and see you in the next video.